The big question for Halloween lovers is what costume they'll dress up in every year, but Terry's one outfit that's legally off the cards. There are a number of other strange rules to watch out for at Halloween. And as common of a sight as it is in Halloween shops, police officer costumes are a no-go. In fact, the Police Act 1996 forbids it. Anybody who dresses as police with intent to deceive could be hit with 6 months in prison and an unlimited fine. Even if you don't mean any harm, those dressed up could be fined up to £1,000, and even carrying an item of police clothing can cost you as much as £200. 10 easy Scottish Halloween costume ideas perfect for dressing up this October. View Gallery. The law in Scotland says it's an offence to impersonate a constable or to possess any item of police clothing without permission from the authority, according to the Police and Fire Reform, Scotland, Act 2012. You may not realise the sheer number of little-known laws about Halloween that are still observed today. As reported by Hull Live, Aruna Verma, Associate Professor Program and Student Lead GDL, MA Law and Conversion Programs at the University of Law, Law, has cast a spotlight on some spooky laws. Flight restrictions for witches. In 2013, Swaziland introduced a law that made it illegal for witches to fly their brooms above 150 meters. Witchcraft is no joking matter, as those found to be flying their broomsticks higher than 150 meters will be subject to arrest and fined R500,000. There's still reason to watch the skies on Halloween night. There are no limitations yet for flying below 150 meters. Paranormal real estate. Telling people your home is haunted will surely put off a lot of buyers. Whether you believe in coming clean or not, an allegedly haunted home grounds for legal action in the Ghostbusters ruling. The case of Stombofsky v. Ackley, 169A.D.2D254 in New York involved the paranormal. The seller had advertised a property as being haunted, which the buyer did not know. Upon finding out about the unwanted house guests, the buyer filed an action to cancel the contract of sale and for damages for fraudulent misrepresentation of sale. The action wasn't upheld in court, which many believe to be because the buyer didn't show up. But it was noted that the alleged hauntings could have greatly affected the price of the property, which would have been grounds for legal action. Don't call anyone a witch. Ever heard of the W word? A legal back and forth in the UK has seen a number of witchcraft-related rulings over the centuries. The Witchcraft Act of 1735 made it illegal for any human being to claim a person had magical powers or was a practicing witch. The law effectively put an end to the hunting and execution of witches in the UK. However, this ended up being repealed by the Fraudulent Mediums Act 1951, which banned any person from claiming to be a psychic, medium or other spiritualist with intent to deceive and gain money. This was in turn repealed again in 2008 under consumer rights laws, and it all dates back to 16th century witches. Laws are put in place to govern and protect the living, but it's important to note these laws don't always extend beyond the grave, Aruna explained. The most important thing to remember this Halloween is to have fun, avoid causing public disruption or nuisance, and stay safe. We'd also recommend, if you do have mystical powers or plan on raising the dead, that you keep it to yourself. Join the Daily Record WhatsApp community. Get the latest news sent straight to your messages by joining our WhatsApp community today. You'll receive daily updates on breaking news as well as the top headlines across Scotland. No one will be able to see who is signed up and no one can send messages except the Daily Record team. All you have to do is click here if you're on mobile, select Join Community and you're in. If you're on a desktop, simply scan the QR code above with your phone and click Join Community. We also treat our community members to special offers, promotions, and adverts from us and our partners. If you don't like our community, you can check out anytime you like. To leave our community, click on the name at the top of your screen and choose Exit Group. If you're curious, you can read our privacy notice. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily newsletter,